All right, we're going to go through solving an inequality and graphing its solution. All right, so what is an inequality? Well, it means something that is not equal. Inequality just means that something's not equal. And what we normally will see when we're talking about an inequality is signs that look like this. Or maybe we have something that looks like that. All right. So we've got a greater than sign, a less than sign, a greater than or equal to, or a less than or equal to sign. So one problem that we might see is a minus 4 is greater than 14. If you're ever wondering what greater than means or less than, think about it in terms of a mouth. I like to think of it in terms of an alligator mouth, always eating the greater sized meal, always eating what is larger. So this mouth right here is open to this side, so that simply means that this side is larger than this side. So how we can say that is a minus 4 is greater than 14. Okay? We might see something that would look like this if we had a minus 4. We had a sign that looked like that. Now what does that mean? Well, in this case, the inequality, the mouth, so to speak, is eating 14. So that means that 14 is larger than a minus 4. So how do we say that? Well, we read it from right to left typically, and we would say a minus 4 is less than or equal to 14. So let me graph both of these, or show what they look like on a graph so that you can see that. So we have a minus 4 is greater than 14. First, before we put it on the graph, we need to solve for the variable using inverse operations. So if we've got a minus 4, I'm going to rewrite this so it's a little bit cleaner. We've got a minus 4 is greater than 14. We want to solve for a. So that means we need to get rid of the minus 4 using inverse operations. So we're going to add 4. If we add 4 to this side, we need to add 4 to the other side. Negative 4 plus 4 cancels out. And we end up with a is greater than 14 plus 4 is 18. All right. So all we do here is number line. I always just put a mark, 18. And it says that a is greater than 18. Well, I know that on a number line, anything on this side is greater than, and anything on the other side is less than. All right, so if I want to show what this looks like on a number line, a is greater than, I could circle the 18 and then just draw a line, and that signifies that the value of a is greater than 18. All right? If we've got a minus 4 is less than or equal to 14, again, we want to solve for a, so we're going to add 4 to both sides. Negative 4 plus 4 cancels out, and we bring down the a is less than or equal to 18. All right, same thing. We're going to draw a number line. We're going to write 18 in there. And then, since this is greater than or equal to, we're going to color in our circle, okay? And then it's less than, so that means our arrow's going to go this way. So this tells us that a is greater than or equal to 18. Big takeaways: when it has an equal sign underneath it, you're going to have the the circle colored in. When it does not have an equal sign underneath it, you're going to have an open circle. All right? And remember, for the greater than or less than, imagine that this is an alligator, and the alligator is always eating the larger meal. All right? There you have it. Now to go try a couple examples.